So hello guys, this video is about the Gorilla Mafia NFT project, which is currently listed on the OpenSea platform, and right now it has 685 items that can be collected. So in this video we'll see if this project is worth your time or not. So follow along and take notes. And the first thing that I wanted to share with you is the fact that Gorilla Mafia on its Instagram page and even on their website mentioned that they would be 100% hand-drawn collectibles with the total of 1000 NFTs. And if you go back onto OpenSea, you'll see that currently just 685 items have been listed. So if you come back over to the Instagram, you'd see that the cartoon boys, this is the person behind this project, and if you have a look at their profile, you'd see that they don't really have a big following or something. And even the first post was made on last week. So this is a new profile, and if you come over to their Twitter, you'd see that they joined in February of 2022. So this is something which is quite concerning, and it definitely doesn't help creating trust on the project. But let us now look at some other factors. Here if you come over to their Discord, they have almost 1900 members, and this doesn't mean that all of this following is legit. And even if a project has a large following on Twitter or Discord, the chances are quite high that they could be bots. And I just wanted to show you something else over on their Instagram profile. So if you go over to some of their pictures and if you click on the likes, so in the likes you would see that most of the accounts are actually the theme pages related to NFTs. So they might be doing follow for follow, shout out for shout out, or even like for like. And you can see that the actual people in here are quite less. So considering the fact that almost all kinds of artwork can sell if the community is strong, so the community factor seems a bit behind over on this project. Although if you go over to their artist Twitter profile, you would see that he's mentioning that some of the people are buying the NFTs, just like this post over here. You can see that someone bought it. And even at this point, if you are still interested in the project, we shall have a look at their website. So this is their website. It is quite basic, and they have tried to tell the story in an interesting way. So the Discord link is here. So this is the backstory and what they are selling. And even after that, if you come down, you will see that it is available on OpenSea with the floor price of 0.07 ETH. And in this edition, they are also mentioning that these are 10 special characters that are available for 1 Ethereum, and these are the super rare gorillas. And in their roadmap, they have mentioned that they would be giving away the videos of each of the character being hand drawn after they have been sold to someone. And then coming down onto the roadmap, all seems quite basic. And they mentioned that upon reaching 5000 Discord members, they would be giving cash prizes, iPad mini, and some other stuff. And then they also mentioned that once 10,000 NFTs are sold, then all the owners of the NFTs would have access to a real world safe house that would be located in the Las Vegas in USA. And well, this is the profile of the artist. This is his story, and this is the end of the website. So if you are interested in this project, I would say that do look at it deeply, do contact the creator. And if you ask about my impression, it doesn't seem too much trustable, considering the fact that the artist has his profile made in the last month on Twitter and on Instagram. And even if you see the likes, most of these are the theme pages or other pages doing like for like and the other stuff. So this was my take on the project, and if you are interested in seeing similar type of content, do give a subscribe to my channel and also like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.